In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox folder, a nifty skill that's going to make collaborating with colleagues or sharing files with friends and family a breeze, whether you're working on a group project, sharing photos from your latest vacation, or just need to make a bunch of files accessible to someone. Dropbox makes this process easy and secure. We start by navigating to dropbox.com. This is your first step towards sharing digital content, and it's as simple as entering the website address into your browser. Once the page loads, you're greeted with Dropbox's homepage, which is the gateway to all your files and folders. Next up, log into your account. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking it will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Start with your email address, type it into the designated field. This tells Dropbox who's trying to access an account. After you've entered your email, click on continue. Dropbox will then ask for your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring you're not making any typos that could prevent you from logging in. Once you've input both your email and password, hit the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your files. Click on Files in the Dropbox sidebar. This is where all your stored files and folders are organized. You'll see everything you've uploaded to Dropbox here, making it easy to find what you're looking to share, find the folder you want to share and click on it. Selecting the folder is the first real step towards sharing your content. Once you've clicked on your chosen folder, you'll notice a variety of options appear, one of which is the settings icon. This little cogwheel is your gateway to managing your folder's settings, including sharing options. Click on the settings icon and look for the share button. This is where the magic happens. Clicking share opens a new dialog box, specifically designed for sharing your folder. Here you'll find an option that says share with Dropbox. This is especially useful if you're sharing with someone who also uses Dropbox, as it allows for seamless integration and access. Next, it's time to specify who you're sharing your folder with. This is done by entering their email address into the provided field. Make sure you type the email correctly to avoid any issues with the invite. After entering the email, Dropbox will guide you through the settings, allowing you to set permissions for the folder. Do you want the recipient to be able to edit the contents, or should they only be allowed to view them? This level of control ensures that your files are shared exactly how you want them to be. Once you're happy with the settings, simply send the invitation. The person you're sharing the folder with will receive an email from Dropbox with a link to access the folder. It's instantaneous, secure, and they don't even need a Dropbox account to view the files if you choose so. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing a folder on Dropbox. Remember, sharing digital content should always be done with consideration and care, especially when it involves sensitive information. Dropbox offers a host of settings and permissions to make sure you have full control over who sees and interacts with your files. Finally, always double check the email addresses of people you're sharing your files with to ensure that your content is going exactly where you intend. Sharing files and collaborating has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Dropbox. Whether for work or personal use, knowing how to share a folder is an essential digital skill in today's connected world. That's all for today's tutorial on how to share a Dropbox folder. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Happy sharing!